Hi guys, Ben from Trucks and Toys. If you like black, then this is the truck for you. So we've got the Ram 3500 Laramie with a high output engine and the ACEN transmission. So this is the 2020 model. This is also not just black, it's also what they got called the Night Edition. So in the Night Edition, it comes with the black badging around the car. We get rid of the chrome at the front. It's got the black, as you can see, grille. It also had the black bumpers. We've got rid of those. With this truck, we've fitted the Kelderman Bravo series front and rear bumpers. So as you can see at the front, we've got the 20-inch Rigid Industries light bar, and we've got two 6-inch Rigid Industries lights on either side as well. So plenty of light up front. As you come around the car, we've got the Bushwacker Flares. So we've given this truck a 2-inch lift, and we've managed to fit the 37-inch Mickey Thompson tyres to it. We've also got the 20x10 Fuel Beast wheels. We do have Fox shops coming on the way, so they'll be fitted shortly as well. As you come around the car, not too much done to it. We've kept it really nice and clean, this one. Put the sports bar on the back again, got the satin black, same as the front and rear bumpers. We've still managed to fit the electric pace Edwards bed locker on the back as well. So that means you can keep all his gear dry and safe. And once the tailgate's locked at the back, it's all secure. Got the rear Bravo series bumper on there as well. But as you can see, guys, really classy and simple look to this truck. Kept it black. I really like the Night Edition. You can get that in the other coloured vehicles as well. So if you go granite, crystal, silver, you can still get that Night Edition and get the black headlights, the black badges around the car. There you go, guys. Nice, simple, really clean looking, classy truck here going out the door.